Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Yettbaby, and today we're going to do a reaction video to Sneeze of Death. It is a short horror film by the channel Deformed Lunchbox. I have not reacted yet to one of their videos, but I thought since Halloween, spooky season, is around the corner, I figured, hey, let's start reacting to some more horror stuff. So let's watch it. All right. Okay. All right. First of all, why you got these long ass earrings on? Second of all, so she can't sneeze? Is that what's going on? Well, it's called Sneeze of Death, so she's probably gonna die if she sneezes. And is she trying to make herself sneeze? Oh, ma'am. What the f- Ma'am, that is not cocaine. That is not cocaine. That is not cocaine. That is pepper. Why is she snorting it? Oh, I think we know what she does on the side.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Cause she's doing that like it's just Bro, look at it. What was that? No. Is she gonna shove that in her nose? Ah! Stop it! Oh. What? Nah. Roses are red, violets are blue, but dandelions are special just like you, love Paul. Who does she think she is? Does she think that... What is this? What is this? She's in her bathroom dancing around like she's getting rained on. Like on Edward Scissorhands. I forgot her damn name. Where she was spinning around in the ice things like snow or whatever. That's what she's doing. She's doing that. This isn't that situation, honey. What are you doing? It looks like... It looks like she just sprayed diarrhea on the... What? Oh, look at it. Ew. That's chicken. Nope, that's her brains. What? I thought he was dead. What? 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 Oh, looks so gross. Ew, it looks nasty. Why is it so poetic? What is this? What? I thought he was. I don't know. I don't know what that was. What? I want to find another one. Yeah, I want to watch another one because that was mild. I didn't understand it. I'm gonna find another one. One sec. So I found another one because I was actually confused on the last one, the other one. So this one's called Cookies. It's by the same channel, of course. So let's watch this one. Oh, that's creepy. Probably gonna be selling body parts, huh?
Oh, hey there, little boy. Aren't you cute, cute, cute?
Would you like to buy a
Red
box
flag.
of Boy Scout cookies?
Oh, Boy Scout cookies? That is so adorable.
Yeah, it's for charity.
I would love.
Oh God, look at that. She's fucking scary. She's scary. Look at that. What's on her face? What's going on with what is this? Honey, honey.
To buy some cookies. How much are they?
$7 a box.
Holy shit. $7. Uh-oh.
What's your name, cutie?
Stop.
Johnny.
Stop calling cute.
Oh, Johnny. That is such a great name. I would love to buy your cookies, little Johnny. I have my purse and my money in my room. Why don't you come inside and hang out?
What did he say?
While I go.
No, ma'am, that is a child. Why? She on some pedo shit, ain't she? Oh, bitch, I would whoop the fuck out of you and shove that wine up your fucking nose. No.
Get it.
No, I can stay right here.
No,
Good.
seriously, come inside. It'll be fun.
Fuck off.
Please, Johnny. I insist.
It's okay. I'll stay right here.
Please, Johnny. Come inside. I really want those cookies. Come on, Johnny. Come on inside.
Bro, do you see his face? Look at that. Look at him. He's like, bitch, if you don't back the fuck off. That's how he's
Come on
looking at her.
inside. You're so cute.
Just take it.
I'm sorry. That wasn't shit. No. No. Did you hear how empty that box was when he tossed it? Hold on, where is it?
Take it.
So he's out here selling empty boxes of cookies. Okay. Run, honey, run. She deserves
Nice
it, though.
little boy. Hey, good news. We got cookies.
Bro's nipples is on hard 10. Why his drop? Why? What is going on? That was just, oh, all right. Okay. All right. I think that was a pizza salesman. I'm gonna end the video there, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these two short horror films. If you guys like the video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.